Deep within the river's bend, we met a truly unexpected friend.
In that moment, the barrier between our world and his just melted away. No training, just pure, shared joy.
We wondered, could we actually play with him? We started small, with a gentle toss.
Time the ambassador reminded us